NEET 2018 Biology Analysis Part 1 with Ncert proof. Question 1. Oxygen is not produced during photosynthesis by cycles, nostoc, green sulfur bacteria, chara. Answer option 3. Green sulfur bacteria do not use water as source of proton, therefore they do not evolve O2. Question 2. Double fertilization is a unique phenomenon that occurs in angiosperms only. Syngamy plus triple fusion is equal to double fertilization. Option 4. Syngamy and triple fusion is the right answer. Which one of the following plants shows a very close relationship with a species of moth where none of the two can complete its life cycle without the other? Banana, yucca, hydrilla, viola. Yucca have an obligate mutualism with a species of moth. So option 2 is the right answer. Pollen grains can be stored for several years in liquid nitrogen having a temperature of. Pollen grains can be stored for several years in liquid nitrogen at -196 degrees Celsius. Which of the following elements is responsible for maintaining turgor in cells? Potassium, sodium, magnesium, calcium. Potassium helps in maintaining turgidity of cells. Option 1. Potassium is the. What is the role of NAD+ in cellular respiration? In cellular respiration, NAD+ acts as an electron carrier. Option 2. It functions as an electron carrier. In which of the following forms is iron absorbed by plants? Free element, ferrous, ferric, both ferric and ferrous. Iron is absorbed by plants in the form of ferric ions according to NCERT. So option 3, ferric is the right answer according to NCERT. Which of the following is commonly used as a vector for introducing a DNA fragment in human lymphocytes? Retrovirus is commonly used as a vector for introducing a DNA fragment in human lymphocytes. Option 3. Retrovirus is the right answer. Use of bioresources by multinational companies and organizations without authorization from the concerned country and its people is called. Biopiracy is a term used for or refer to the use of bioresources by multinational companies and other organizations without proper authorization from the countries and people concerned with compensatory payment. Given in NCERT, option 2, biopiracy is the right. In India, the organization responsible for assessing the safety of introducing genetically modified organisms for public use is. Indian government has set up organizations such as GEAC Genetic Engineering Appraisal Committee, which will make decisions regarding the validity of GM research and safety of introducing GM organisms for public survey. NCERT. Genetic Engineering Appraisal Committee is the right answer. The correct order of steps in polymerase chain reaction (PCR) is. This technique is used for making multiple copies of gene of interest in vitro. Each cycle has 3 steps: denaturation, primer annealing, extension of primer. In short, DAE. Denaturation, annealing, extension is the right sequence. Select the correct match. Tage-Morgan transduction incorrect. F2 into recessive parent dihybrid cross incorrect. Ribozyme nucleic acid. G-Mendel transformation incorrect. Ribozyme is a catalytic RNA which is nucleic acid. So option 3, ribozyme is correctly matched with nucleic acid. A new variety of rice was patented by a foreign company, though such varieties have been present in India for a long time. This is related to. In 1997, an American company got patent rights on basmati rice through the US Patent and Trademark Office that was actually being derived from Indian farmers' varieties. The diversity of rice in India is one of the richest in the world. 27 documented varieties of basmati are grown in India. Indian basmati was crossed with semi-off varieties and claimed as an invention or a novelty. Sharbati, Sonara, and Lerma Rojo are varieties of wheat. So, option 4 basmati is the right. Which of the following pairs is wrongly matched? X O type sex determination grasshopper. Correct. ABO blood grouping codominance. Correct. Star synthesis in P multiple alleles. Incorrect. TH Morgan linkage. Correct. Star synthesis in P is controlled by pleiotropic gene. Other options 1, 2, and 4 are correctly matched. So select the correct statement. Spliceosomes take part in translation. Incorrect. Punnett Square was developed by a British scientist. Correct. Franklin Stahl coined the term linkage. Incorrect. Transduction was discovered by S. Earthman. Punnett Square was developed by a British genetist Reginald C. Punnett. Franklin Stahl proved semi-conservative mode of replication. Transduction was discovered by Zinder and Lederberg. Spliceosomes formation is a part of post-transcriptional change in eukaryotes. Option 2. Punnett Square was developed by British scientists is the right answer. The experimental proof for semi-conservative replication of DNA was first shown in a semi-conservative DNA replication was first shown in bacterium E. coli by Matthew and Franklin. Option 2 bacterium is the right answer. Which of the following flowers only once in its lifetime? Mango, jackfruit, bamboo species, papaya. Bamboo species are monocarpic, that's flower generally only once in its lifetime after 50 to 100 years. Jackfruit, papaya, and mango are polycarpic, that's produce flowers and fruits many times in their lifetime. Option 3 bamboo species is the right answer. Offsets are produced by offset is a vegetative part of plant formed by mitosis. Meiotic divisions do not occur in somatic cells. Parthenogenesis is the formation of embryo from ovum or egg without fertilization. Parthenocarpy is the fruit formed without fertilization, generally seedless. So option 2 mitotic division. Which of the following has proved helpful in preserving pollen as fossils? Oil content, cellulosic, intine, pollen kits, sporopollen. Option 4 sporopollen is the right answer.